We're kind of dancing around some bad weather.
Unsettled is the word, pretty much right through the rest of the week and even getting into the beginning of the weekend. So let's get right to it. We're going to take a peek at radar at noontime, bring you up to speed on what's happening out there. And lots of colors showing up here. The blue is mainly snow. The pink is more of a mix. The green is rain. And you can see that we're dealing with a little bit of all of those colors across the region at noontime today. Mainly rain along the lakeshore here. And surprisingly, at the Buffalo Airport, we're still seeing a little bit of a mix of frozen precip. In fact, the airport is reporting as of the top of the hour some light snow in the PL. After it means ice pellets. So there's a little bit of sleet in the mix at the airport presently. Light rain at Niagara Falls, light rain down by the lakeshore at Dunkirk, and some light snow down here at Bradford. Now, more moisture is working out from the south presently, and we'll be overspreading the area this afternoon, even though we've had a little bit of a break. We had that initial shot along about early to mid-morning, early morning down to the south of the city, and that passed by to the north, and now we have more of that moisture working out from the south. This, again, will be coming down maybe as a wintry mix for a while this afternoon, especially well to the south and southeast of the metro, far inland from the lake, and there actually could be a little bit of a slushy accumulation by late afternoon before the precip finally starts to mix with and change over to rain beginning in the lower elevations, and that process will continue into the early evening well inland from the lakeshore, but mainly rain coming down along the lakeshore this afternoon and up through the Niagara frontier. Take a look at the winds, too. This is going to be a big issue this afternoon. Winds really starting to increase across the area. In fact, even across the Niagara frontier, we're seeing some stronger gusts now, 26 miles per hour even at Niagara Falls, but check out Wellsville, 40 miles per hour now, and 45 at Erie. That's been the case now for the past couple hours in that direction, a sign of things to come around here this afternoon, especially in the higher terrain and along the Erie Lakeshore down in Chautauqua County from Silver Creek southward through Ripley. Well, 11 more days to go before the official arrival of spring as we check out your forecast for this afternoon on the Super Microcast. Here comes that next slug of moisture working up from the south and the southwest. Again, somewhat of a wintry mix going on in far inland areas, but mainly rain across the Niagara frontier and down through the lakeshore. This yellow shade indicative of moderate rain, but I think most of the precipitation will probably be tending toward the light side, possibly at times picking up in intensity to moderate. Now, by tonight, we should be getting into just primarily rain across all of the area, periods of rain continuing overnight into Thursday. Very strong winds again tonight, particularly in the higher terrain, maybe gusts up to 50 miles per hour and along the Erie Lakeshore down to the south. And that rain will eventually start to mix with and change to snow showers. Now, this storm system actually kind of rejuvenates down the Virginias on Friday, so more moisture will be on tap at that time. Looks like perhaps some rain and snow across northern areas, changing to mainly snow in interior sections, and some of this could stick. We could be dealing with some accumulating snowfall, especially across the higher terrain to the south of the city on Friday. In addition to all of this, we're going to have to be monitoring the area streams and creeks because of the amount of rainfall tonight and tomorrow, and because of that, a flood watch has been issued. 39 at the Falls in Buffalo right now, 34 down at Jamestown, and 31 down there at Bradford. Your forecast, sunset time 6:15 for this afternoon. More rain developing across the Niagara frontier and the Erie Lakeshore this afternoon. Still more of a wintry mix going on, though. Well, inland from the lake to the south and southeast of the city, around an inch of slush maybe in those areas. Quite windy in the hills, 36 inland to about 42 by the lakeshore. Periods of rain tonight, windy in the hills, and the lows 33 to 37, then rising temps overnight. Tomorrow, periods of rain continuing. The winds gradually diminish during the day. Area streams and creeks will run high, 44 to 47. And on Friday, a rain-snow mix across northern areas, changing to mainly snow in the hills to the south with some accumulation, quite breezy, 32 to 37. Another little storm heads our way Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, and that will taper to some snow showers around here on Sunday, 34.